Hi everyone and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today's recipe is marmalade. I'm using Meyer lemons and limes, but this is a good technique to use with any citrus fruit. Let's get started. First, we'll start by cutting our fruit in quarters. As I said before, I'm using Meyer lemons here, which are a good choice if you like the flavor of lemon but don't particularly like the bitterness that marmalade can have. Limes may also make an appearance later. Next, remove the seeds and cut out the pith in the center. And here's our limes, gracing us with their presence. These limes didn't have many seeds or much of a membrane, so I didn't have to remove any. Now add your fruit to a pot and cover with water. Bring to the boil, cover and simmer for 1 to 2 hours or until the skins are tender. To test if your fruit is tender, pierce it with a knife. If the knife goes through with minimum force, remove from the heat and allow it to cool until you can comfortably handle them. Meanwhile, weigh out the sugar. Once the fruit is cool, reserve the specified amount of liquid. All the measurements will be in the description, and you can scale as necessary. Next, cut the peels of the fruit to your desired size, discarding any seeds you find whilst cutting. I like my shreds long and chunky. Once cut, place back into the empty pot and cover with the sugar and add the reserved liquid. Bring back to the boil and stirring while the sugar dissolves. Keep boiling until the mixture reaches 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Pack into sterilized jars and keep in the fridge, or you can can them to make them shelf stable. That's what I did. The Meyer lemon was extremely mild, yet lemony. I should have cooked the limes a bit longer on the initial boil, probably about another hour, as the marmalade didn't set properly and was a little runny. But it was still delicious, bitter and tangy if you go for that. I do. I want to thank you all for joining me, and if you want to see more content, don't forget to like and subscribe.